Okay, here's where I find Dorothy Parker's female focus coming to us. It begins with this grandmother, a female character, has the money to give her granddaughter what she needs to follow her dream. That's a big deal. Thinking that a woman in that period, who was now some 50 years older than the woman starring in the film, could have agency and could choose to give the money and trust her granddaughter when her own parents are not trusting her. I think that relationship is so key. That maternal relationship is a very big deal. Dorothy Parker's mother died when she was quite young. I think she was 9 or 10. She didn't like her stepmother, but she liked her grandmother. So clearly that's represented in this piece. Also, even though Esther seems a little weak and fluffy at some points, she certainly stands up for herself when she needs to, right? In this, we see Norman is a very desperate and envious guy. Some of what we read about Alan Campbell, he was desperate to succeed. He was desperate to be famous after they divorced and he couldn't get a job screenwriting. The producer literally said to him, look, get back together with the old lady. She's the one we want. Together, we'll hire you. Imagine how humiliating that would be for someone, and not man or woman, but I want to be talented. I want to be recognized as someone of quality, but I can't be without attaching myself to this other person.